Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite recipes for homemade jello. It's super simple, it's just as easy, if not easier, than regular jello. And I don't like to use jello products because I don't know where they get their gelatin from. But with this recipe, you know exactly what's going in it. So I am using this Aspen Naturals 100% grass-fed beef gelatin that I found on Amazon, and I will link that down below. And it is a great source of protein and collagen. It's just pure 100% grass-fed beef gelatin. And then I'm using this Minute Maid peach juice. And here we have some of the utensils you're going to be needing. Alright, so to get started, we're going to pour 4 cups of our juice into a measuring cup. And then we are going to take 1 cup of that and put it into our saucepan. And for this recipe, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of our gelatin powder for every cup of juice. So we have 4 cups of juice, and we're going to put 4 tablespoons total into our 1 cup in the saucepan here.
Let's go.
Alright, once that's all mixed together, we're going to add just a little bit more of the juice and stir, and then move this over to our stove on a medium-high heat. And we are just going to continue to whisk this until the grittiness goes away and the mixture becomes somewhat clear. And once your mixture starts to get steamy, that's when it's about ready. It's a little bit clearer. I can see the bottom of the pan, and I don't see any grittiness from the powder, so I think we're ready to take it off. And now we just pour the rest of our juice in and stir it gently, making sure to not add any air bubbles, and then we'll pour it into our pan. And again, make sure to pour it gently so we don't add any air bubbles to the top of the jello. It's kind of a weird texture. Alright, now we cover it and put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, and now it's ready to eat. So we're going to just slice it up and have some. Alright guys, that is about the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you happen to make this recipe, please comment down below and tell me what you thought. And don't forget to subscribe because I got more recipe videos coming. And if you have any suggestions of recipes you'd like to see me make, leave a comment down below. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Alright, bye.